What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just pulled up to a nice little parking spot to get a picture in reel because the scenery is so nice with all the snow on the trees and mountains and stuff right now. Like, it's so nice. But anyways, because it is quadro season, we're doing Audi activity things. Look how good this thing looks though. It looks so good. I'm running my summer tires still, unfortunately, because the tires on my OEM wheels are done. They're cooked, and I don't like those OEM wheels, and I don't feel like buying another set of wheels because them shit can be expensive right now. People want arm and legs for peelers and shit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buy a new set of wheels. They are in the order, so new wheels are coming hopefully before springtime. I might just frock these out for a fucking winter time and then put the new tires with new wheels on around spring, summertime. But yeah, anyways, it's doing pretty okay in the snow, I guess. Oh shit. Besides this little road, it's just like all ice and shit out here. Spun a little bit. Crazy or not, but I have traction control fully off. Probably a dumb thing to do, but I feel like I have more control over the car in a way, and not the car trying to drag me or do thing on its own, I guess. Oh shit, that's like, oh shit. Sideways a little bit, bruh. Yo. Alright, we gotta be careful on the turns because there might be cars and shit. That's steep, bro. Right now, I guess. Yo. This is a 2-lane fucking road. See, like, cars coming right there. So, like, you don't want to do anything stupid, you know what I mean? I need to find a little parking spot, dude. Don't not even like full snow. It's fucking ice on the ground, bro. I'm not trying to drift on ice. That's like ice skating. It's raining and crazy for using summer tires driving like this. Burnout, all-wheel drive burnout. I just gave my little all-wheel drive burnout. Holla at your boy. Wet mixed with fucking snow, bro. That's terrible. That's why it's becoming ice. I'm not trying to ice skate. We gotta watch out for this little turn here, bro. I'm not trying to. It might be cars and shit. See? Car coming. Now if it was a single, if it was only a one-way, that'd be sick. But your boy gotta go to work, man. I just went out for an errand and a little quick drive. There's not that much snow. Maybe tonight. If there's more snow tonight, I will continue the video with some cooler clips, I guess. But right now, we're just gonna chill. Whoa. Plus, it's not even a lot of snow, it's just a layer of ice and bit of snow on top of the ground, so I'm not trying to ice skate. Quadro, baby. Quadro all-wheel drive. But my car low as shit. I probably wouldn't make it right now. It was like 10 inches of snow. I would have to drift that bitch to plow out the snow. That's crazy, man.